ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Peter Lennox Automotive Car of the Week. And today we've got this stunning, beautiful wagon, a 2017 C300 C-Class in Iridium Silver with black leather and black ash tree dash trimming. The perfect combination, very classy, very Mercedes. And this one does come with the AMG Sports package. That's why it looks so good, and it does have those 19-inch AMG wheels. We have put new tires on those too, so very classy car, very well optioned. For a 2017 you're getting a lot of safety features and very stylish family motoring. As you can see, as we move to the side, it does have the factory rear privacy glass, which is very nice, and fully legally tinted on the front by the factory. You've got 19-inch AMG wheels, and I'll show you those. They do have new Continental Conti Sport tyres just put on. You'll see them just here. As you can see, this car has been fully checked over, and anything that was required, such as the tyres, have been replaced by the boys in our workshop. So fully inspected, ready for your test drive and garage. It's got 360 camera, Distronic cruise control, as you can see by that shiny star. It does have the latest LED intelligent light system, and I can tell you this works brilliantly. Very nice. Iridium silver, untouched, as new condition throughout. What's the mileage on this car? Just over 40,000, 43,304 kilometers. So very low mileage, 2017 model. And the condition of it reflects that low mileage. Beautiful with the AMG Sports package in classic Mercedes Iridium Silver. Now a C300, it isn't a 6-cylinder, it is a 4-cylinder. It's a newer generation that generates plenty of go. You're getting 180 kilowatts, 370 newton meters of torque, so a very good combination, propelling this medium wagon to 0 to 100 in under 6 seconds, 5.9. Now that is actually very fast performance from just a few years ago. There you go, the C300 badge. I'll show you inside. This one does come with the automatic rear tailgate. Beautiful double twin exhaust in the back, AMG Sports package. And you do get the panoramic sunroof, which is very nice. Airmatic active air suspension. So the ride height of this beautiful wagon is always perfect, guaranteeing a very smooth and nice ride. Now let's have a look at what else it's got. Heated memory seats, parking guidance, blind spot assist, active park assist, lane keeping, heaps of options. The heads-up display I'll show you inside, satellite, Bluetooth navigation. So basically really loaded up, and as you can see, a beautiful car. Let's have a look on the inside of this car, rear and front, just to see what it's all about inside. Alright, just going to quickly show you the rear of the car first. On the inside, being a wagon C-Class, there is plenty of space in here. It does come with a factory rear mat, the spare being underneath, very nice, basically as new condition. And it does even have this very handy rear blind, which can be adjusted like so to give your goods privacy, and then open it up, which is an optional extra. So yeah, quite spacious, as you can see in there, and does have the auto rear tailgate as mentioned before. Now let's have a quick look at the rear door. As you can see, it does have the Burmeister sound system. Beautiful leather interior, AMG Floormats. And just a very spacious interior. Plenty of leg room there. You can also see the privacy glass there. And there's a difference on the privacy glass right there. Alright, let's have a look inside. Alright, being a low mileage car, again as always, there is no wear and tear here. Beautiful black ash tree wood trimming, stitching on here. This one does have the heated memory seat package, so you do get 3 levels of heating, very good on a day like this in Melbourne. And also memory package, so you can adjust the seats as you wish. And there's that beautiful Burmeister speaker, which just complements the interior. And as we move across here, very, very nice with that AMG Sport steering wheel, flat spoke, as you can see. You've got the illuminated entrance sills with the Mercedes-Benz logo, AMG mats in very good condition, and the AMG sports pedals through there. There's those seats, very good condition once more, which are heated, and also the panoramic sunroof, which you see right there. It's currently in the tilt position, but as you can see, it's a very, very large full roof panoramic sunroof, which is very, very nice. Alright, let's jump inside this C300 2017 model and see what it has to offer. Okay. Close the door, nice and quiet in here. There we go. As you can see, only 43,304 kilometers at the time of filming, and this will just give you a rough idea of what the cabin looks like. The interior in here, very stylish, as you can see, and plenty of room for the family in the back. And there's that very, very large panoramic sunroof, which I'll show you how that works in just a minute. And through the main command system, you've got a very classy wood dash that's complemented by this analog clock, but yet very modern with the large command screen on here. And you use the command system here to actually operate it all. So let's start it up. This one does have keyless go, so the keys are in my pocket. Foot on the brake, press the button, and the car starts up very, very nice. As you can see, Mercedes-Benz command system here, as you can see, starting up. And we'll go over some of the features just now. Put the volume down. Alright, I'll quickly show you some of the menus. Okay, so we do have a digital radio, as you can see. Navigation is included. There we are in Thomastown. You can go full screen. Using the command dial, go back to radio. You do have a host of media options in here, as you can see. Bluetooth streaming, telephony, and if we go down in here, you got Bluetooth audio, disc. So this one does have a disc. Memory card, memory register, which is actually a hard drive that's built into the unit, the actual head unit here. Media interface, so you can connect, older phones via the special media interface, and media interface 2, and then back to Bluetooth audio, which is very nice. Full telephone support, so yes, you do get Bluetooth, latest versions and whatnot. Vehicle settings, there's a lot of different settings here. One interesting is dynamic select, so this changes the characteristic of the car, how it behaves, how it drives. It's currently on individual configuration, but we can actually change it to a few presets that adjust the suspension, the steering, the auto stop start function, and even the comfort levels in the car. And you can turn off and adjust these as you wish. Now, if you wanted to change them, you can actually go into a separate menu, and as you can see, you've got sport, comfort, economy, and if we go up, you should go to sport plus and individual, where you can adjust the various settings to your individual setting. I like to leave it in sport. It's just a nice firm ride. That's exactly what it says, sporty. Now you also have here 360 camera. I'll show you that. There we go. So this is a full 360 camera. It has a 180-degree view at the moment activated, plus it's got the bird's eye view on the left hand side there. Very clear, very nice. I click on that, as you can see it shows me the surround. That's a 360 view, back to 180 view. Front and back can be activated, so very nice. And you can adjust a host of options, as you can see, for parking, curb, reverse parallel parking and whatnot. So very nice. You can check your consumption here. Owner's manual is included in the car, and then you got vehicle settings which adjust all sorts of things, such as now this sporty AMG steering wheel with a flat spoke, thick leather grip, ergo grip with perforation, does come with as you can see, pedal shift here. Very nice, very handy to have. Just makes driving on the twisty roads that much more fun. You can control the car just a bit, and here you can even adjust the auto off function and raise the car. This one does have the Airmatic suspension, which is very nice to experience. The car basically glides on the road and is a very comfortable ride compared to a standard coil spring. So there you are, there's the interior of the car. Very beautiful, very stylish. Everything's really high-end in here. Let's have a quick look at the panoramic sunroof and then we'll finish up. I'll just quickly show you how the panoramic sunroof works. So if you want to open it up, it's currently in the tilt position. It does have the blind, and then if you want to really go the next step, you can close the blind, and as you can see, there's a very large opening at the front, and the rear still has the nice glass effect, as you can see. And then you can close it by pressing the button next to the mirror. There we go. And it closes. You can actually close the blind too by pressing once more. Closes the front and the rear blind, and you get more of a standard style cabin. You can still see slightly through it, as you can see, but it does block out pretty much all the sun and heat that you would expect. The window is also tinted. So yep, very nice feature, and we like to leave them in a tilt position like so, just airs the car out. Okay, so there you have it. That's the interior. Very nice. So again, 2017 C300 for just over 60,000. Beautiful car with very low mileage, 43,000 kilometers. Immaculate condition, as you can see. Now available for your test drive here at Peter Lennox Automotive. Come and see it, test drive it, and put this one in your garage. It won't last long.